Mhm. And I think too, like, since we work with a lot of real estate agents, and especially for you in the audience here, some of you are going to gravitate to Donna's approach. You're going to think, "Oh, this is wonderful. This is so me. This is what I love to do." Others of you are thinking, "Oh, I would do this completely differently," and that's actually okay. I think what you should take away from this webinar is there might be a nugget or two in here that you can add to your process, and it may even help you rethink a little bit of your strategy, because maybe you ignored something that actually has real value in it by adding some of Donna's approach. But don't feel bad if you like to do something different. Like Eddie, you mentioned that you prefer to talk to people first, and that's totally fine too. I think there's a lot of realtors out there as well that they do everything they can to get a conversation started. And I can think of David Elke, who we featured in the past. And that's really important. He's looking to get that conversation. So basically from this webinar and from Donna's strategy, just take the pieces that fit best into your business, and so that you can really maximize your return.